welcome to our next virtual learning for the day. I hope you are all doing well. Alright, stay with me till we bring this lesson to an end. Today we have mathematics for basic 6. And our strand, which is the topic, is prime factorization. And our substrand, which is the subtopic, is finding LCM using prime factorization method. Now let us look at our learning objective, which says at the end of the day, we should be able to find LCM of some numbers using prime factorization method. Now before that, let's look at our starter for the day. We have 4, 6, and 8. Let's find the LCM under prime factorization. Now remember, we always use the factor tree in our previous lesson. Now we have 4. The products of 4 or two numbers, when we multiply them, anytime you see the word product in mathematics, it means multiplication. That is the word product. So two numbers are multiplied. Two numbers, when we multiply them, we get 4. The numbers are 2 and 2. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. So the factors of 4 under prime factorization is 2. So we write it 4 equals 2 times 2, which will give us 4. We come here, we use the same thing, we do the same thing for 6. So two numbers, when we multiply them, we get 6, which is 2 times 3 will give us 6. So the same thing that we did here, you apply the same thing, and then you get your answer. When we come to 8, 8 is 2 times 4 will give us 8. Now we come here, we have to break the 4 down, which is 2 times 2 will give us 4. So our number is, what are we looking for? 2, 2, 2, which is 8 equals 2 times 2 will give us 4, times 2 will give us 8, which in prime factorization can be written as 2 raised to the power 3, because 2 occurs thrice over here. Now today we have some few questions here that will help us to understand this mathematics. So we have some few examples here. I'll read the headings. Let's find the LCM of the following using prime factorization method. Now we have first question. Let us tackle first question. The first question is 6 and 8. 6 and 8. So we find the factors under prime factorization. So first of all, what we did in our previous lesson, we draw our factor tree. The two numbers, when we multiply them, are 2 times 3 will give us 6. It ends here. We cannot move on. So we come here, 8. Two numbers, when we multiply them, we get 8 are 2 and 4. So 2 times 4 will give us 8. It doesn't end here. We break the 4 down, which is 2 times 2 will give us 4. So here we are looking at 2 and 3. So 6 equals 2 times 3. We multiply 3 by 2, we get what? 6. And when we multiply 2 times 2 times 3 here, it will give 2 times 2 times 2 here, it will give us 8. Let us look at it. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Times 2 will give us 8. Which in prime factorization can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. Because 2 occurs how many times? 3 times. I hope you understand this one. Now, we are looking at the LCM. In LCM, when we are finding LCM under prime factorization, we are looking at the highest powers of the common factors. The highest power of each common factors and other factors as well. The highest. Remember in ACF, we look at the lowest powers of each common factors. But in LCM, we look at what? The highest powers. The highest powers. This is it. The highest powers of each common factors and other factors. So what are we doing here in this case? So in this case, we are looking at the highest powers. So which can be written as 2 times 3, that's 6, and 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. Yes, because 2 occur how many times? 3 times. So we are looking at the LCM, the highest common factors of each factors. Here we are looking at the highest factors. So what is the high? Yes, 2 is here. 2 is here. They are common. Which one has the highest power? Which is what? 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3. So I come here, 2 raised to the power 3 times, in LCM, we do not throw the 3 away. We multiply it by this one. But in HCF, we leave other factors. We don't multiply it by the common factors. We leave them. But in LCM, we don't throw the factors away. We multiply it. So 2 raised to the power 3 will give us what? 8 times 3. That will give us what? 24. So our LCM is 24. Because 2 raised to the power 3 will give us 8. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Times 2 will give us 8. Times 3 will give us 24. This is our final answer. Now let's look at question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 12 and 16. Now we draw the factor tree. We take the least factor, which is 2 and 6. 2 times 6 will give us 12. And we bring this one down. 2 times 3 will give us what? 12. So we're looking for this, and this, which can be written as 2 times 2 times 3, which will give us 12. Or 2 raised to the power 2 times 3 under prime factorization. Then we come here. Now 16 is 2, 8. Then we break this one, which is 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then we break the 4 down, which is 2 times 2 will give us 4. So this is our final destination. Now we are looking for 2, these 2, these 2, and these 2, which can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The 2 occurs for how many times? 4 times. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. 8 times 2 will give us 16, which can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. Why? Because 4 occurs how many times? 2 occurs how many times? 4 times. So 2 raised to the power 4. So this is it. Now in LCM, remember we are looking for the highest power of each common factor and other factors. So which one? 2 is here, 2 is common here, and 2 is also common here. But we are looking at the one that carries the highest power, which is 2 raised to the power 4. So we write it 2 raised to the power 4. This one we are not going to write it because we compare the 2 and we see that 2 raised to the power 4 is more than 2 raised to the power 2. So we leave this one and then we multiply these 3 because in LCM we do not throw the other factors away. We multiply them by what the factors that we compare together. Now let us multiply this and see. We say 2 raised to the power 4 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us 16. So 16 times 3. So 2 raised to the power 4 is the same as 16. So 16 times 3. 16 times 3. 6, 3, 18. You write 8, carried 1. 1 times 3 will give us 3. Plus 1 will give us 4. So our LCM Our LCM is 48. Our LCM is 48. I hope you understand today's lesson. Alright, hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.